Hi, my name is Kyle Newcomb. I'm a physical therapist here at Fort HealthCare Therapy and Sports Center. Here today to talk to you about dry needling. Dry needling is a technique in which we stick a monofilament needle into a hyperirritable tissue, otherwise known as a trigger point. Dry needling has been an up-and-coming method for treatment the past few years, really gaining a lot of steam. Some of the professional athletes are now using it. There are a number of benefits to dry needling, including increased blood flow. You're going to have better activation of the muscle tissue. You'll see some chemical changes within the tissue. Each patient will receive a thorough examination prior to the needling process. This will include a subjective examination, palpation, movement analysis to determine which muscles indeed are going to be the most effective for you. Most of my patients will report that my palpation and identifying the trigger points is more painful than the actual process of dry needling. Once the needle is inserted, we have to remember it's 1/16 the size of what you get a flu shot with. So it goes in very easy, it's very thin, it penetrates tissue very smoothly. The treatment itself will take merely minutes. It takes longer to identify the tissues, and the needles themselves are in for just seconds. The treatment will vary based on the patient, so we're going to identify the most active and most irritable spots, and we're going to try to get those ones first. We can elicit that local twitch response through the needle hitting the tissue, or once the needle's in, we can hit it with some E-stim, and you'll feel a gentle pulse in the tissue. And that essentially is like a reset button for that really irritable tissue that's kind of holding on in a spasm. You get a nice relief in terms of your tension in the muscles, and you may actually see more efficient firing of the muscle tissues. I personally have experienced relief of knee pain, shoulder pain, hip pain in one treatment versus what would have taken me weeks of stretching and exercises. If you feel that dry needling would be helpful for you, we'd love to see you down here at Fort HealthCare's Therapy and Sports Center.
Fort HealthCare.
For health.